Hi, it's Matt Theobald, founder of Internous.com, Internous.com, the database of databases, which is kind of governed by the Internet Search Environment Number, is like an ISBN number for books, except it's for databases or search environments. And a search environment could be any structured set of information with its own algorithm, like a database, a library catalog, a P2P environment, a blog search, any kind of searchable environment. So a search environment is one of these types of things, and the search environment is all of them in concert. So what we attempt to do is to identify each one, catalog and classify it, and make it searchable, and create, therefore, a database of databases. As a postscript, I'd like to talk about one of our mottos, which is all your databases belong to you. It's based on a very powerful, one of the most viral internet videos ever called All Your Base Are Belong to Us, a very menacing Japanese video game that was badly translated, that all your bases belong to us. And there's this, I think, this very scary idea of all the databases on the planet being made aware and connected to everyone. What has to be respected is that only databases that are volunteered to ISEN would be part of ISEN publicly. And if you were to use ISEN on an enterprise level, you could secure permissions easily to make sure that only select audiences got to the databases you want to get them to. So the idea of all your databases belong to you is that we're not actually tapping your data. We're just describing the database. So, and what's in it. And you can represent that however you would like, within reason, because the librarian's going to make sure that it's not misrepresenting yourself. It's going to be more accurately represented, so more easily be found. But all your databases belong to you also means that all the databases that are publicly available would be available to you to pick and choose your own personal library of databases. So, in a sense, all your databases belong to you is that if you find 100 or 1,000 databases out of 10 million databases that are relevant to you, you'd be able to manage that collection, and then you'd also be able to share it if you'd like. Now, if that database of databases has some value, you may be able to sell it to someone, to sell your personal library. But so you'd have a public library of your own that you'd share with people, and then you have your own private library that that you may want to just keep to yourself, or to sell as a, this is a good collection of databases for a real estate agent in Indiana. And you've got 500 real estate agents in Indiana that would pay you $50 for that library, if you could market it, and we would help you do that. So, all your databases belong to you, and connect your mind with the body of knowledge.